Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit your photos using ChatGPT. You do not need advanced photo editing software for simple changes. You can upload your photo, describe the changes you want in natural language, and ChatGPT can edit the image for you. So let us see the demo. First, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Now click the plus or attachment icon beside the message box. Choose Upload from computer and select the photo you want to edit. Once the image appears in the chat, we can simply tell ChatGPT what changes we want. For this first demo, I want to improve the quality of my photo without changing my natural appearance. So I will enter this prompt. Sharpen my image and make it clearer. Improve the overall image quality while keeping my face, skin tone and appearance natural and unchanged. Now let us send the prompt. ChatGPT will take some time to process and edit the uploaded image. Once the edited image is ready, we can compare it with the original photo. The goal here is to improve sharpness and clarity while keeping the person recognizable and natural. Now let us try one more useful edit. This time I want to change the background and make the photo look more professional. So I will enter this second prompt. Replace the existing background with a clean modern office background. Keep my face, hairstyle, skin tone, clothes and overall appearance natural and unchanged. Improve the lighting and make the photo look professional. Now let us send this prompt. Again, ChatGPT will generate an updated version of the image based on our instructions. Now you can see how useful this is. With one prompt we improved the image quality. And with another prompt we changed the background and gave the photo a more professional look. This is useful for profile photos, LinkedIn photos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts and many other use cases. You can use the same workflow for many other edits as well. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to remove unwanted objects, improve lighting, create a cinematic look, or make the image more suitable for a specific platform. The important thing is to be specific about what you want to change and what you want to keep unchanged. So the process is very simple. Upload your photo, describe the edit you want in natural language, send the prompt and wait for ChatGPT to generate the edited version. Then review the result and refine it further if needed. That is how you can quickly edit your photos using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.